Okay, this is Nervous Nick. I I'm gonna do a screenshot here from the Android phone on how to get the Windows free download, a copy of Windows for your laptop or your desktop, either one. All right, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, hit my subscribe button for me. A thumbs up there. See if we can get there. Let's see. Microsoft. Uh, Windows. ISO. All right. See, enter. Okay, there it is on top. Computer and ISO. All right, we'll take the top one. You can't see where I'm touching, but I might have to pull it open so I can see it here. Let's see here. Okay, go down here where it says addition, right here, and we'll bounce on that. Okay, looks like Windows 10 we could get. We'll click on that. We'll say confirm. Wait a minute, more download options. You might want to look through there. Right here where the plus sign is. What am I doing wrong? It's not letting me open it. It might open up better on your oh, hold on here. You got more room on the laptop, on the your screen on this. It's hard on this cell phone here. Software download, Windows 10. This is going to be the latest. Okay, read through this. Go ahead and open this up and read through it like I'm doing here. I've already been through here. Okay, we want the Windows 10 is going to get the latest update from November. It updates like every 6 months. Okay, there. So that's the one we picked. Okay, let's say confirm. Let's see what we get. Confirm. Select the product language. Okay. I'll take English. I think I speak English. So English. More options you can go through there. Let's say confirm. Let's see what happens here. All right, go scroll to the top, right around in here. Downloads. Now it gives us two choices. Take the 64-bit on top there. Say that one. And we're going to verify. We're going to hit the square down there. Verify your download right below it, two notches below. We're going to hit that. Launch Windows. I don't know what all. They got a bunch of garbage in here. So let's get out of here. How do we kick it off? Hold on here. We already hit right here. Download. 64. It might have already downloaded. I just didn't realize it. It's going to go, anyway, in your laptop, it'll go to downloads, and then look up downloads in that bottom square there. And you want to get, if you can get it on your desktop, it's the easiest. Verify your download. Valid links for 24 hours from time. I don't think it downloaded. Verify your download. Windows 10, confirm. Choose a language. Confirm. And that should be it. Oh, the 62-bit, 64. If it won't give me 64, I'll go for 32, but see what happens. It ain't moving, I'm freezing up. Let's go to 64. There it goes. It's trying to get there across the top of my screen there. I got a little line on top there. That little blue line working itself across there. I'm supposed to push that. There, 64. So there you go. I'm going to close this out. Go ahead and hit. I showed you guys how to get there. Microsoft Windows ISO. Oh, see, it downloaded. I didn't even know that. So we're already down. And there it is in my downloads. All right, so there it is. It already came down. It's going down again. So hit the 3 spots there I showed you. Go with 64 right here. I guess that started the download. I didn't even know it. And then when you get to, then look up your downloads in the little white box in the bottom left of on your laptop or desktop. Type in downloads. It'll take you to downloads, and just click on downloads, and it'll enter. It'll load by itself. It'll just read all the prompts. It'll load a new copy of Windows on your desktop or laptop. All right, this is Nervous Nick. I'll see you in the next one.